friends, welcome. Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Is my
yes,
voice clear? Yes, no?
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
very
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, friends. बहुत दिन बाद हम लोग सब
Good
मिल रहे
evening,
हैं.
sir.
So wish you happy new year to you and your family, sir.
So that is why. So wish you a very happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting us.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you for all your patience. So hopefully we'll have some good times. Today is a buy call day. So we had given a sell call on 25th of July. How many had attended that day? I don't know how many we had, about 87 here. So we had given a sell call on 25th of July. And if you study from the last 3 months, we were just checking the market has been up. Nifty has been up about 4-5%. And small cap is up about 2%. आज ही हम लोग देख रहे थे from 25th of July. The market has been absolutely flattish. So I'll show you the chart. And can we show the small cap chart, please?
Yes, sir.
Small cap 50 chart, please.
Sir, 100?
Yeah, 100. Yeah, 100 is fine. Yeah. 100, yes. So please mark 25th July. So this was 25th July. Okay, the day we had taken a, we have a video. If you have not seen the video, we can resend the video. You can take from Pratik and you can see the video. And 3 months market went down, slightly went up, it went down. It was absolutely, literally last 3 months has been only 2% market has been down only from 25th of July. And again, the buy call has happened on today. Okay. So we want to show you how do we decide this. This is a 10-year research. So we'll go to the data on 25th July. Why did we give a sell call? And why are we giving a buy call today? If you can see, the trend is buy today. So we'll show you why did we do a sell and why we are doing a buy today.
The daily data?
Yes, please. And go to 25th of July from 10 July. Okay, so if you go down, slightly go down. So friends, if you study, they have been continuously selling from 10th of July. Okay, so by 25th of July, they had already sold more than 50,000 crores. And we had given ki aap market mein investment, we are the probably only fund manager. And because of this, many clients do not like us. Many customers love us, but some customers, they say ki why we are on sell. But what we have seen is that the market was actually sell, and we had taken a call that right now we should not do any further investments in the market. We had taken a call and we took a big hit on our business also, because as a fund manager, when we take a call, we lose business. But we realized last year when the market fell, it was very terrible. But this time in the last 3 months, somehow the market was flattish. जो मैंने अभी आपको डेटा दिखाया, the market was flattish. It went down, it went up, it went down, it went up. It was flattish in the last 3 months. Okay, now I'll show you the monthly data. Can you show the monthly data again, please? First page. Yeah. So if you study in July, they had sold, and we had taken a view that we should be away from the markets. And we have not lost anything. We have not lost anything. There was a time when the market was heavily down. Can you show the Nifty chart, please? Small cap chart, please. Small cap chart. So if you study, we had given a call on 25th July. Please do the marking here. And the market actually drastically fell till September. So this was a period which I was seeing we saved about 8% of our client funds. But again, the market rose and 7-8% again went up during this period. Again, there was a 6% downtrend. So we have not lost any money because the market has been quite flattish. But people who did not invest during this time, they did not see that the portfolio went down by 7 to 10% during this period once. But again, when the market went up, the portfolio went up. It has been very flattish. Okay. Now again, I'll show you the current data that there has been huge buying in the daily trend. If you can see already monthly trend, can you show the monthly? Monthly is already 45,000 crores. Please mark 45,000 crore. This is already huge buy. And in the daily trend also, you can see from the last 15th of October, they are continuously buying. So if you go to the website, you will not see such kind of buying in the last 3 months, which has happened by foreign institutions in the last 6-7 days. So this gives a comfort level that somehow they are now, the market will not go below 25,500. The market will not go below 24,500 or 24,700. So that means there is not a very steep fall which we look in the market, and the market may tend to do a breakout. So this is a very different data which we follow, and it has been quite helpful to us. And we feel now that market may give a very surprise uptick because of the data which we are seeing. I'll show you some individual data. Please show stock futures. Please click here. 16, yes. Click 11626, first one. Now see the stock future data, future stocks. Okay, if can you click 8140, please? So if you study in the last 3 days, they have bought about 1 lakh, approximately 1,70,000 contracts in futures. Fourth column, please. Fourth column, 1,43,000, then 7,000, and then 1,25,000. Okay, so if you study this, these are the buying which has happened. And if you go to in the history of 3 months, they have not done such sharp buying in the stock futures. There have been sharp buying on them in the stock futures. Now, even in the index futures, I'll show you. Please click 11626. Index futures, third column. So if you study in the last, they were 1,94,000 contracts short. Okay, 1,94,000 minus, which has reduced to 1,13,000. They have bought about 81,000 contracts in the last 6 days. Okay, and even in the stock options, now if you go back and study, go back please. Stock option, index option 4480. They have reduced drastically from 3,54,000. They have been continuously buying from the last 6 days. And in the last 6 days, except the last 2 days, the market had also from 25,000 went to 26,100 within 4 days, actually 4-5 days. So friends, what happens is because of the very strong SIP, and because domestic institutions are getting about 25 to 28,000 crore rupees every month. So what is happening is even when the foreign institutions are selling, somehow Indian markets are not going down much. It falls about 1,000 points, 1,500 points. We lose about 6% of the portfolio, but the market doesn't go down much because of the SIP in the country. Okay, but a small buying of foreign institutions, we see the market going up very sharply because there is an SIP of 28,000 crores. And then we have the buying for foreign institution and the market really sharply moves up, which happened in the last 6 days. Okay. So now this is very good for us actually, that because of the SIP, 28,000 crores of monthly SIP, which the domestic institutions enjoy, somehow in the last 5 years, whenever the foreign institutions sell, the SIP figure saves us. So in the last 3 months, foreign institutions have been selling, but more than approximately about 84,000 crore rupees of new money has allowed the market to be not go down. So we have been able to maintain about 24,500 index, and the market could not break even 200 SMA. Okay. But when the market slightly foreign institutions buy, the market goes up very, very strongly. Okay. So we are seeing renewed buying by foreign institutions, and if this continues, we might see some very good time for the next 3, 4, 5 months. The market looks very, very good. And on the downside also, I think so we are quite protected at 24,500 and 24,600. I'll show you the Nifty chart. So you can see that there is a huge support there actually. So the downside is protected and foreign institutions have, if you see the support now, don't make it smaller, so small, slightly bigger. Now, please make the line, if you can make the line here. So if you see the support here, there is very strong support, which is at 24,500. Very, very strong support. Okay. So this is a very, very good idea of understanding that the SIPs, the money which the clients are bringing in the institutions, somehow whenever the market falls, the domestic institutions really make the market up. It doesn't let the market go down. So these are some very, very good news for the stock market, that the foreign institutions have started buying in the country. Now, whenever I've seen foreign institutions buying, there is some good news, and everybody knows, everybody is expecting the good news of the India-US deal. If India does the US deal at 15%, India will be one of the few countries where America is only charging 15% import duty. Japan has 15%, and most of the countries have, the lowest is Great Britain, but the lowest countries who are paying, Europe is also paying 15%, Japan is paying 15%, and India will also pay 15%. So that will be one of the lowest rates in the world. And now with the new tensions with America, with China, that is a very good thing for India. So somehow we are seeing that the foreign institutions are happily investing in the country they are back. So these are some very, very good news which I wanted to share, that now I think so we are back to buy trend. Even if the market falls slightly, and the way we are seeing the stock market now, we don't see the market going below 24,500 right now. It doesn't seem like that. And that is only about 3-4% of our capital. So that's why we have taken a call and telling everybody that now we are in a very strong buy trend. Okay. Historically, it is a very simple philosophy we are using, but it's very, very deep research. But I'll tell you how we decide the trend. Now, friends, please remember one thing. The trend is the most difficult thing to do in the world. Because if you can get the trend right, then you know you have got it everything right. So this data gives us a very good idea where is the trend, and should we start investing further. So it really looks good that we can really invest more money in the stock market. Another good news is silver gold has become slightly now, it has given about 7, 8, 10% correction from the top. So that is also that there's not much risk now from silver gold, because the way silver gold was going up, it was looking that we might have some issues. And and America, all the Europe markets are at all-time high, and India has been non-performing to all the global indices. So I think so it's time that India will also now come up and give some good returns. This is what is a small presentation I thought that I should share with you. Anybody has any market queries? I'm happy to take some questions. Anybody has some market queries? No market queries, anybody? No market queries.
Sarji, which sectors will go up? The small cap or mid cap?
Which sectors will go up? Okay, I can show you the sector analysis. Can you please show the sector analysis?
Sir, F2 data.
Yes. If you study the last 3 months, let's start from the Q2 quarter. This is July to September. They are buying capital goods, services where they are only buying one stock. They are very bullish on Indigo. And in telecommunication, they are buying Bharti Airtel. So this 10,000 crore rupees buying, which is marking 4,800. Can you please mark 4,800? And these are only two stocks, Indigo and Bharti Airtel. Okay. So capital, they are buying some chemicals, they're buying some auto. So that is a 3-month figure. Last 1 month, can you put it last 1 month? So the recent buying, what's happening in sectors, they are buying financial services. That is why banks have been really crazy. You know, all the banks, they have bought a lot actually. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, after a long time, they're giving some returns, the bank nifty. So financial services, automobiles, because of the GST benefits, have done very well. So basically, these are two sectors they are buying. So I would recommend definitely buy some financial services, some auto. These are some of the areas they are actually buying right now. These are some of the top sectors which they are buying right now. The most intelligent, powerful research and people who have the highest money. So they have put in the last 1 month, they bought 7,600 crore rupees of financial services and automobiles of 3,200 crores in last 1 month. So these are some of the sectors they are buying right now, which is looking very bullish.
Okay, sir.
Anybody? Next question. Thank you for the question, Bharat bhai. Good question.
Hello. Yes, hello, sir. How much
Yes.
upside do you see in IT sector and metal sector?
Sorry.
How much upside do you see in IT and metal sector?
IT and IT is come. India's IT is way behind China and America. All IT shifting to AI, and the Indian IT industry has not moved with AI. That is why all the Indian IT industry is going through a very bad phase. They have to change. They have to come into AI in a very fast way. They are very, very slow. I have never seen Infosys, TCS going down by 20-25% in my life actually. Last 1 year, these stocks are down by 20-25%. When TCS is Infosys down by 25%, that means they are not doing anything with AI. So I'm really thinking that they have to really change gears and go into AI because AI has become a very, very big reality. People like me are using AI. So I'm sure that AI is a very, very important thing which we have to start doing it. And the Indian IT industry, if you study in last 1 year, how much they have sold foreign institutions in IT industry? Please
Yes,
show
sir.
in 1 year. They've sold 55,000 crore rupees in IT sector. So they are highly sensitive. तो अभी क्या है, because सबको सस्ता लग रहा है, but you have to study that what is the future. if they don't shift to AI, this IT industry, they will have no choice right now. वो क्या हुआ ना, that example, if we were used to see when we used to use the old Blackberries, and when iPhone came in 2007, people thought that BlackBerry will survive, but it was washed out within 1 year. Okay, I'll give you a few examples. Another example was we used to use that Kodak camera. When the digital camera came, it got finished actually. The same thing right now. If you study, when we used to go to see movies, if I don't know what city we have been. Calcutta, we used to go to the old cinema halls, the Menka and Priya. But when PVR Inox came, they all became bankrupt. So if the IT industry don't shift to AI, you will see that there will be a big problems for the IT industry. So they are really selling IT. So don't be heavily bullish. You have to be very selective in companies which are actually doing 5 things, which I've always said. 5 areas. Can you show the 5 things, AI and all the 5 sectors from the booklet?
Yes, sir.
And right now, if you study America, Europe, even Germany, China, they've all shifted to IT. Is like everything is now done by AI. So it is not IT now, it will be AI. The AI will replace IT in a big way. So I'll show you the 5 sectors where I don't see stocks. I want to build an AI portfolio in India, but very difficult. Very easy to build AI portfolio. Who is invested with us in US with me? Anybody? Siddiqui ji? Can you unmute? Can you unmute?
हाँ सर.
आपका रिटर्न्स देख रहे हैं? आपको अमेरिका में क्या रिटर्न्स मिल रहा है 6 महीना में?
हाँ, करीब 44%, 43% चल रहा
6
है.
month return is 44% in America.
या.
So Siddiqui is already enjoying. I've been telling people to invest. So Lord, better please show IT, please. 5 sectors of IT, please. So 6 month return in America is 44%. तो
I
मेरा
have been
highly recommend this group. अब तो अमेरिका बहुत हाई होगा, अभी तो इंडिया बाय कॉल आ गया है. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब इंडिया में सेल कॉल आएगा, उस समय इन्वेस्ट सम मनी इन इंडिया, अमेरिका. So these are 5 areas India is way behind, way behind. Okay, we have Keynes Technology, which has done very well. If you want some IT AI stocks, I can give you. Keynes Technology is doing very well. It's in our portfolio also in semiconductor. Okay, then in the persistent, then in cloud services, we have persistent and data center. So India is way behind these 5 areas, way behind compared to China and America. And that is why Indian stock market is not doing well. Most of the returns right now in China and America is from these 5 sectors actually. Anybody who has stocks from these 5 sectors, they are making a killing in America and China. So we have been showing this time and again to all our customers that put some money in America in these stocks, but not right now because it's really very hot. But whenever America corrects, put some money in these stocks in our portfolio. We have many stocks from this in our American portfolio. The return is 44%. Start with, you can start with about 8-9 lakh rupees. It's very easy. Siddiqui ji, was it easy to invest? Is it easy to do everything? Siddiqui ji, can you share with everyone?
Yes, sir. It's very easy, and with your team support, they give the stocks, and just we have to, in a minute's time we can do everything.
It's a very easy thing, friends.
Yeah. It's easy than the India.
Easier than India. It's
If
very
I can just
easy.
ask you, Siddiqui ji, hi, Jalesi Jai Gurudev, Ajay here.
हाँ जी.
I just wanted to check. I've been trying to invest with your guidance, but I'm not able to open an account in either IBKS or in Motilal Oswal. They keep on asking for a broker's code. So if I can just ask Siddiqui ji, what is the platform through which he is investing in the US market?
Have you taken help from Pratik?
Yes, I've been in touch with him, but he has given me the number of the lady, but that Motilal Oswal lady is not responding. So that's where we are stuck, sir.
You should have called me. I'll get it done from the higher up. You just
All
send me a
right, sir.
message,
I'll
your
stay in
higher up
touch
will
with
call
you.
you.
Yeah, I'll
Just
stay
send me
in
a
touch with
message,
you.
my higher up will call you.
All right. I should, okay, I will stay in touch with you on this, Shailesh.
My her boss will call you immediately and
All
get
right,
it.
sir. Thank you so much. Thanks.
So it has been very easy, and these India is way behind these five areas, and a lot of money in America is being made from this. If you see Nasdaq, all the stocks, this sector per se is doing very well. So the IT is transformed. Now the old IT, what India was doing was India was mostly doing the data center work. If you study, so that now is most of the American companies are opening their own offices in India. So they're not dependent much now on many of the large players. That's why all the stocks are really down by 20-25%. So you have to see the trend, what is happening in the world, and you have to adapt to the new trend. The new mega trend is these five sectors actually. And we should be invested in this five sector. At least some amount should be invested in these five sector. Okay. So Soniji, you invest to Motilal, it's easier, So because it is much easier to do everything through the app, and we can guide you also.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Any other question? Next question, please. Anybody else has a question?
Sir,
Hello, sir.
this is Nitin. I have a portfolio in your 4 small cases. I just wanted to know that is a buy call for the large cap, mid cap, small cap, or the micro cap, or in general, all the buy calls will all that?
Caps, all caps. The market looks very good now. All caps.
Okay, normally when the buy calls come first, the large cap run first, and then after that, other sector comes up. So that's why I was asking.
Just see that is there, but right now the market looks good. You can invest in any of the strategies now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
July, when we asked for the selling, at that time we have parked some money in the liquid funds.
We have changed it. We have changed it tonight. From tomorrow, everything will be 100% equity. So please please do your rebalance tomorrow, and everybody comes to equity.
Okay, thank you.
So everybody, every night tonight, everything will get shifted to equity. Please do your rebalance tomorrow, and that stock, that liquid fund which you had invested will get exit and buy the new stock automatically tomorrow. So please do the rebalance tomorrow, everybody.
Sir, I have a question if I can ask, please.
Yes.
So sorry. Sir, your sectoral analysis that is there in your website, it shows that the FIIs have been buying textile stocks over the last 1 week. Could you share some light, sir?
1
Why?
week is a very small period. Don't see that. And what happened is that is not an accurate. That is just the price performance. FIs are not buying that. That is a price performance.
Okay.
That is not
All
FI.
right,
That is
thank you.
price performance in the app.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can I ask question?
Yes, please. This
Yeah,
time is
I
there to
wanted
ask
your
questions. Yes, please.
yeah, I wanted your view on gold and silver for next 3 months.
See, गोल्ड सिल्वर का व्यू आप लेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा डर लगेगा, but ठीक है, मैं बता देता हूँ. See, gold silver is all moving because of the geopolitical tensions between China and US. If you study, China has been buying gold crazily.
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia has been buying silver because of geopolitical tensions.
Okay.
And see why people are buying, because the way America is behaving, they don't want to be completely dependent on dollar.
True.
So this is the reason China and many other countries are buying gold and silver. That is why the prices are hitting the roof.
True.
Okay. So this is a very dangerous trend. It is happening because of the behavior, the way US is dominating everybody.
Okay.
So now the issue is, now either this tariff thing is stopped and everything is steady. Now everything, this guy creates a new problem. Today he said he will not do any trade with Canada. So he does any second day he does something.
Okay.
So then because of this, all the countries somehow are buying gold and silver, which is available in Google actually.
Mhm.
So if this, either there are two things, that either this tariff things now stops, everything is settled, and there is no issue, then the problem will stop. Then gold silver will not rise anymore.
True. But
Okay.
it will come down.
It's, I don't think so it will come down much, because if it comes down, they'll start buying more actually.
Okay.
So I don't see it coming down much actually, to be, but whether it will go up all depends. If he continues the geopolitical tensions, it might further rise actually.
So you should go for gold ETF, is it?
You can, whenever it goes down by 10%, you can start investing.
Okay.
And please remember, I'll tell you one thing. If your portfolio is 1 crore rupees, 10 lakh rupees should always be in gold and silver.
Okay.
Okay, why? Not to make returns out of gold and silver, but as an insurance.
Hedge.
It's an insurance. Why? Because if something happens, the way America is behaving, and actually because of the bond problem, any bond problem in America might create a big havoc in the whole world. And
Okay.
that is the time gold, silver will actually save everything in your portfolio. So as we do life insurance, your stock insurance is gold and silver. All your investment insurance is only gold and silver.
Okay. Got
So if
it.
anything goes wrong, the way this guy behaves, if anything goes wrong with America, you have 10% gold and silver, which will protect you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So we have a message chat. Yeah, this is why we are having these calls, na? There was a question from Melvin Mellel. Melvin, I did not get your question. Can you please ask? Foreign are not making the market down. So what is your question? If you can come online, I'm seeing you on your chat.
If foreign investors like don't play a major share, especially in manipulating the market, don't we have to change our strategy to go into Indian investors or new money which is coming into the market?
Okay. So your question is, they are making a difference. So whenever what happens is, okay, let's understand again, Melvin. If the foreign institutions are selling and domestic institutions are buying, there'll be no return in the market. You will have a sing. But if the foreign institution selling becomes higher than the domestic institution buying, the market will fall. So I'll show you from the data. Okay, open the monthly data. So you'll understand they make a difference. There is no return. But if they sell more than the domestic institution buying, the market will fall, which I will show you. Go to the monthly data. They make a difference, but because of the SIP, the market is not falling, but it had fallen in October. So we have to be careful. Go down, please. Now you study, they started selling in October, November, and December. But these 3 months that we did not lose much money. But because they continued in January, February, the market really, the small cap index went down by 20-30% because they continued selling. So it is like if domestic institutions are buying 28,000 crore, till 28,000 crore, there is no risk. Okay. But if they start selling 50,000, 70,000, then the market may fall. Are you getting it, Melvin? There is a difference what is happening. It's like a complete buy and sell. But because of 28,000 crore every month, we are somehow somehow the downside is protected. Did you understand the entire philosophy, Melvin? Yes or no?
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, so it's like a fall. But if the foreign institutions sell more than domestic, market will fall. So this is exactly what happened in the last 3 months. There was a 84,000 crore buying by domestic institution. There was a selling of flat. So the market remained flattish. There was no return in the last 3 months in the market. It's like who is selling more actually. But what happened is, because the domestic institutions are continuously buying because of the SIP, a small, even a 10,000, 20,000 crore buying by F2, the market goes up very strongly. So that is what we are seeing in the last 5 days, and we are giving a very buy call that if this happens, we might see a big upturn. I hope the question is answered now, Melvin.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, thank you so much.
Impact of US actions on Russian oil. We've already discussed this, no, that we might see an India-US deal, because the way foreign institutions always have some knowledge. People who have not attended, I'll show you some data. Go to April and May 2024 monthly data. Go slightly down. That's it. Now you study April and May was just before the elections. So they knew that BJP is not doing well and BJP might lose. So they had taken strong sell position in April. Can you please mark April 24, May 24? Or please remove the blue, please. Only mark 39 and 25. Yeah, just see this. So somehow these people, again, I'm telling you, the foreign institution, they have the highest money power, they have the best research, and they have global knowledge. So what we have seen is that if you're with them, but because of the domestic institution, we are protected also. So market is not very bad until as the foreign institution starts selling very big time. So this gave an area, but when Modi came, when that he will be prime minister, June, if you study June 24, then there was huge buying by foreign institutions, and 4 months the market really became very, very strong. Market actually went from 21,000 to 26,000 in 4 months. Okay, so this is one thing which people keep asking me. मेरे पास सब लोग एक question हरदम पूछते हैं, market क्या लगता है, market क्या लगता है. So this is one way to see the market which we are seeing right now.
I have a question.
Yes, no.
Why is it sometimes like Nifty is moving, but the stocks are not moving? In recent time, I've seen this.
So this is a very, very common thing which happens. So what happens is, right now, sadly, five stocks, okay, and show the data. 5 banks control 30% of Nifty. Show the 5 stock: HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, SBI. These 4-5 stocks control 30% of Nifty. So somehow I disagree with this, but this is how it is. So what these 5 stocks have been massively going up. If you study, Bank Nifty has been making new highs. So actually these 5 stocks were going up in the last 2-3 months. That is why Nifty was going up. But these 5 stock is not the broader market actually. Why are we showing now? Now we are seeing in the last 3-4 days, now they are buying stock futures. They bought 2 lakh stock futures in the last 2-3 days. So if you study, HDFC Bank is 12%, ICICI is 8%, State Bank
No,
is...
so you are telling that till now they were buying the heavyweights and now they were shifting to broader indices.
It looks like that. See, again, everything is probability, right?
Yeah, that's
everything
true.
is probability. It may happen, it may not happen, but
Yeah.
chances are that whenever what I have seen is that the foreign institutions enter in such a way, you should be invested in the market. See, the best part is, as an investor, we should always be invested in the market. Even if I tell you, you don't sell your stocks, you always hold it. Okay.
Yeah.
So the question is, right now, people tell me that whenever you get a buy call or when the market looks slightly brighter, And we are not 100% accurate all the time. We are about 75-80% accurate. Market may go down. If I knew that the market will be 100% up, then I will be sitting with Mukesh Ambani, not doing a session here.
That's true.
No, this is not possible, Rachnaji, like that. That is
Yes.
short-term trading, Rachnaji, your question. It doesn't happen
Sir,
like that. That's not the right way to see. It may have happened in some Fridays. I've seen many Fridays market has been very bullish by 2% also. Not a very right way to see.
sir,
Okay,
one question, sir.
Haji.
What is your view on defense stocks, sir? Especially with the background of DSC clearance.
See, I think so defense stocks will do well because India, see, two things which makes a great country is economic power and your defense power. Why US can lead the world? Economic power, defense power. Why Russia is not good? They have the defense power, but they don't have economic power. But if you see, China can fight with US because they have the economic power also. So they can fight economically with China. So defense was very weak in India. Modi knows that if you want to become a developed country, defense has to be strong. And Indian defense was very, very bad. And now they are really doing many things to increase our defense, the budget also, and our defense strength also. So the defense stocks will continue to do well in the next 5, 6, 7 years also. So we are very bullish on the defense stocks.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, next question. Next question.
All kind of mid cap, small cap I can buy. So if I go for any theme, as you said, FIIs are mainly buying the banks and the autos. So
That
in
is
case if I have to
that is
invest, should I go
no, no,
ahead
no,
with
no,
that?
no, no. That they are buying those, but we will be once they start buying in the stock market, market tends to give good returns. So we have been sitting quietly for 3 months. So now people who are sitting quietly for 3 months, we can start investing in our strategies. Let us have our diversified strategy. We should not be buying too much of one sector because it becomes very, very risky in a strategy. If you see our portfolio, we are very well diversified. So don't take much risk in one or two stocks or one or two sectors. That's not a very good way to do investments. Does that answer your question, Nitinji?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Thanks.
PSU banks have been doing well, but somehow I think so. It was very government-run PSUs in the last 1 year before the elections. And after the election, they have actually stopped buying PSU stocks and they have not done well. So presently, I think so it's not doing much. Solar stock will do well, Danish bhai. Solar stocks will continue to do well. Vari guys give fantastic results of Vari. So solar stocks is a huge demand. Electricity demand is not going to decrease in the country, and solar stocks will continue to do well in the next 5 to 10 years. We are very bullish on the solar stocks.
Yeah, Suresh, you
Another
can
question.
advise on some, solar stocks which are good because Vikram Solar had.
Vari.
Vari is what you're saying. Vari,
Vari.
Energies or Vari Renewables?
Though both are good. Both are good.
Both are good. All right. Thank you. And sir, Vikram Solar has just come in. They just launched a couple of, weeks back. Is it a good stock? It seems
It's
to
a
be
good
doing
stock
well.
also. It's a good stock. Let the results come out. Because it
Okay.
will be the first results will be out after the IPO. So
Okay.
the results will be expected in the next 10 days. We can discuss that after the results.
All right. Sir. Thank you so much.
It's a good stock.
Thank you, sir.
Chemical stocks are doing well, especially in chemicals. The NPK product is doing very well. Paradeep phosphate, they are doing very, very well. HW Solar is not a solar stock. It's just maintenance company, Kamaji. It's just a maintenance company. उन लोग सिर्फ मेंटेनेंस करते हैं. It's not a solar stock. They just do maintenance.
Hello, sir.
हाँ जी.
Can we invest in China and USA based ETFs?
You can through the mutual funds also you can.
So like I can see this US based ETFs, they have quite given me a return more than 80% now. So shall I keep investing or book profits?
See, this is very difficult, sir, to say.
Okay. So
ये
like
तो आप लोग
how
एग्जिट
market?
बोलते हैं ना, ये अगर ये एग्जिट है क्या है, देखिए यू हैव टू स्टडी लॉट वो ये जो क्वेश्चन है कि मैं बेच दूं खरीद दूं, यही तो हम लोग करते हैं. बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक कॉल ऑन दोज, यू नो.
You are seeing good potential in tech sector of China and America, is what I
Yes,
can
yes,
say.
very, very big. But right now it has gone up tremendously. So some correction is due. Some correction is
Okay.
due.
So SIP I can do. It's better.
Yeah, no problem. No problem in SIP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else has any questions?
Yeah, Sureshji, just one last question from my side. Nvidia, is it still a good buy or do you think it is
Wait for
overpriced?
some correction. You know, I think so. Wait for some correction. We had entered Nvidia at 90, 95. We bought a
Okay.
lot in our portfolio at 105. Right now, I think it's 190 or something. So wait for some correction. Whenever it gives a correction, enter Nvidia.
All right, sir. Thank you.
But right now, please understand that they have to pay 15% sales tax. So there are a lot of things which, and they cannot export to China. So there is a lot of geopolitical tension with Nvidia.
All right.
So you have to read, but in the long run, I think so once these geopolitical tension goes away, then it will not a problem.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Yes,
Okay,
I have a
friends.
question.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
About
Yes,
the
Mr. Matthew.
US stocks. When it is peak time, can we book some profit?
You can if you want to, no problem.
Because when the correction comes, we can re-enter. Is it not?
See, वो ये short term करना बहुत मुश्किल है, मैथ्यू जी.
Yeah.
वो गिरेगा बढ़ेगा गिरेगा बढ़ेगा, वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
I see.
It's very tough
Okay.
to get into that, you know.
Okay.
टाइमिंग करना बहुत मुश्किल है सर. टाइमिंग से भगवान कर सकता है. टाइमिंग करना बहुत मुश्किल है. You know.
Because recently we have seen that it
The
goes
last
up very
question from
high
my side.
and it comes down sharply 2-3 days back.
वो तो होगा ही, क्या होगा तो, बिकॉज इतना ऊपर गया है तो थोड़ा तो नीचे आएगा ही. यस.
सर जैसे मैंने
Yes,
सर जैसे मैंने उस समय जब आप 50% कैश पे आए थे, जब मैंने नहीं बेचा, तो अब मेरे को कोई रीबैलेंसिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं पूरा
नहीं,
इक्विटी में
आपको
ही
कुछ
था
नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना
स्ट्रेटजीज
है,
में.
कुछ नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना.
थैंक यू.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ
सर मैं बोला तो चीटागढ़ रेल लेके रखा मैंने कि पूरी 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया
अभी
मेरा.
इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक का क्वेश्चन हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. आई एम सॉरी, वो बहुत मैं करूंगा 95 इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक क्वेश्चंस आ जाएगा. ओके, इसके लिए मैं आपको एक अच्छा गुड थिंग. सो वी हैव लॉन्च्ड अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट फ्रेंड्स, and we have got some amazing feedback. I want to show you the new product. It's free of cost. Please take advantage of it. शुभेंदु जी, आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा इससे. प्लीज शो द न्यू प्रोडक्ट. फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव लॉन्च पोर्टफोलियो. हम लोग सबके पास फोन्स भी गया होगा. अगर आपके डीमैट में कोई कितने भी स्टॉक्स हैं, चाहे आपके 10 डीमैट हैं, वी हैव टाइड अप विद आरबीआई. कैन यू शो द नेक्स्ट पेज? So we have tied up with RBI license account aggregators. Okay, हम लोग ने टेक बनाया है आरबीआई से. तो आपके जो भी कहीं पर भी स्टॉक हो, आपके 10 जगह डीमैट स्टॉक से है, वी कैन टेक दैट विद इन 1 मिनट. वो मेरे टेक्नोलॉजी में आ जाएगा, मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म में आ जाए. एंड आई शो यू राइट डेमो. इट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. इमीडिएटली, जैसे अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा मेरे को, मैं टीटागढ़ रेल का क्या करूं, तो आपका जितना भी पोर्टफोलियो है वो तुरंत रिव्यू हो जाएगा. मैं इमीडिएटली आई विल टेल यू बाय कौन सा है, सेल कौन सा है, होल्ड कौन सा है. इट विल बी इमीडिएटली टोल्ड यू विद इन 1 मिनट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू इवन सेल, तो 45 ब्रोकर जो मेरे से लिंक्ड है वहां पर सेल भी हो जाएगा आपका. द एंटायर सिस्टम इज कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. बट दिस वी हैव डन बिकॉज मेनी पीपल आस्क मी कि मेरा पोर्टफोलियो का, मेरे पास ये शेयर है, मैं क्या करूं. ये शेयर है, मैं क्या करूं? तो पीपल कीप आस्किंग मी, बट क्या था, ये हम लोग ने इसको टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन नहीं किया था. नाउ दिस इज कंप्लीटली टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन, and I'll show you a demo. Even if you have 200 stocks in your demat, we can take that in 1 minute, and my advisory will immediately show that कौन सा stock buy है, sell and hold है according to my research platform. Okay, and you can sell. Dhyani ji, have you seen the product? Can you talk about it? Have you seen the product? How is it? Can you unmute and talk about it? आपने कर लिया क्या already एक
Yes, yes, yes. I have done it today. One of your advisor called me, and it was such a fantastic product. I mean, I was literally amazed. The entire because my this thing was around 99 stocks, out of which I have invested in your small cases too. But this thing which came, the product which came, the final report, sell, buy, hold, it was fantastic. I mean, on Monday I will do the application. But
and in how much minute it came, Dhyani ji? And everything was done in how? The report came in how much minutes?
It came within 5 minutes.
So that is why, friend, वो portfolio review वाला दिखाओ. We have done a completely tech. We are the only one in the country doing it. कुछ लोग और कर रहे हैं, but this kind of tech nobody has done it. And आपके पास जो भी stock है free of cost, उसका buy, sell, hold आपको मिल जाएगा. We have also launched watch list. आप वही स्टॉक को मैं आपके वॉच लिस्ट में डाल दूंगा, मेरे वॉच लिस्ट में, वैल्यू स्टॉक्स में, आप उसको रेगुलरली ट्रैक भी कर सकते हैं. सो आई शो यू अ डेमो. ये कैसे होगा? आई टेक योर मोबाइल नंबर, and this is completely safe. It is done by RBI governed. It is a completely official product. Okay, you have to do it with my team. मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूंगा. Please share the link ना, where they can register. Please share the link where they can register.
Yes, sir. I'm sending in the chat.
That link, they can download now. They can scheduler.
Yes, sir.
Link.
Yes.
Sir, I have scheduled for 12 p.m. today, but nobody called me. Nothing happened.
Everybody called. हम लोग का सबके साथ scheduled है. मैथ्यू थॉमस जी, आप प्रतीक को फोन कर लेते सर. आपको पक्का फोन गया होगा, आप चेक करिए. हम लोग का रेगुलर शेड्यूल्ड है.
Okay. This was through the link I have scheduled.
हाँ, तो somebody would have definitely called you. आपका मिस हुआ होगा. हम लोग रेगुलरली कर रहे हैं ये वाला काम.
Anyway,
Just call Prateek and get it done.
Okay. Thank you.
So I'll just show you the portfolio review. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? नहीं, let him show ना the portfolio review plus. क्या कर रहे हो बेटा?
Sir, I'm sharing the link.
बाद में कर लेना ना. You're showing the portfolio review right now, na? Yeah. So he will give the phone number. उसका fetch में holdings आ जाएगा automatic from RBI governed aggregators. This is a government ही product चालू की है. So you can have consent based data given. It's absolutely safe. Consent based से data आएगा आपके पास. मेरे पास सिर्फ data आएगा, मेरे पास और कोई access नहीं आपका. सिर्फ data आएगा so that I can review your portfolio and give you advice. OTP will be given. OTP आएगा.
ये आप लोग क्या पैन नंबर से, डिमैट नंबर से निकलेगा क्या?
ये निकलेगा पैन नंबर एंड फोन नंबर से.
अच्छा, फोन नंबर एंड पैन नंबर.
राइट.
तो जितने उस पैन नंबर पे स्टॉक से सारे आ जाएंगे?
सब आ जाएंगे 1 सेकंड में. क्योंकि क्या था, पहले लोग हमको एक्सेल शीट भेजते थे. वो एक्सेल शीट का फॉर्मेट ठीक नहीं होता था, उसमें 10-10 दिन लग जाता था. ये टेक के कारण मेरे को 1 मिनट में पूरा डेटा मिल जाएगा, और हम लोग ने वो टेक को अपना 2000 स्टॉक से मर्ज कर दिया है. तो बाय होल्ड सेल यू विल गेट विद इन 1 मिनट.
आप ये बता दो कि ये आपके पास इतने शेयर हैं, उसको आपको करना क्या है?
क्या करना है? यस,
करिए, सेल करिए.
यस
whatever.
हाँ, उसके बाद आपका डिसीजन आपको करना है कि नहीं करना है, बट आपको डेटा मिल जाएगा.
You have to give only names of the shares or cost everything.
No. You just have to give your phone number and PAN card. That's all.
Okay.
And we'll take it from the government-based organization.
अच्छा, ऐसा ये सैंपल आ गया क्या?
ये पूरा सैंपल आ गया स्टॉक्स का.
ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है पूरा?
ये पूरा फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है.
तो इसमें आप डिसीजन कैसे देते हो? इस एक्सेल के ऊपर में आप क्या वापस कैसे आप बोलते हो?
देखिए मेरा अभी मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर में जा रहा है. मेरा देखिए सॉफ्टवेयर दिखा दिया ऑलरेडी. मैंने इसको मर्ज किया है मेरा रिसर्च से. बाय होल्ड सेल. तो दो अक्यूमुलेट, 2 बाय है, 2 होल्ड है, 1 सेल है. और इसका डिटेल एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट देखना है तो क्लिक करेगा तो डिटेल एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट मिल जाएगा. फ्रॉम 20 पैरामीटर्स क्यों सेल है, क्यों बाय है, वो पूरा स्टडी मिल जाएगा इसका. करके देखिए राज जी, बड़ा मजा आएगा. बड़ा अच्छा चीज है.
देखने में तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
89 पीपल आई हाईली रिकमेंड. शेड्यूलर अभी भेज देंगे. प्लीज शेड्यूल इट एंड यूज दिस. इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट.
मैं प्रतीक से बात करके कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ, ये इसमें मैं आपको अभी लिंक भेज देता हूँ तुरंत.
आया हुआ आपका लिंक, पहले भी आया, व्हाट्सएप में आया हुआ.
हाँ, व्हाट्सएप में आया. उसमें शेड्यूल कर दीजिए और आपका
आपने
शेड्यूल
समझाया ना, वैसे नहीं समझे थे. अभी तो जिस हिसाब से आपने समझाया है ये बहुत ही अलग ही टाइप से थी. चलो अच्छा है.
इट्स बिकॉज मेरे को पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू के लिए इतना रिक्वेस्ट आता है. आई गेट सो मेनी रिक्वेस्ट फॉर पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू, और वो मैनुअल करने में हम लोग कर ही नहीं पाते हैं एक्चुअली.
प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी है.
प्रैक्टिकल इसका एक्सेल शीट नहीं है, कोई डेटा ठीक से नहीं दे रहा है, कभी मर्ज नहीं हो रहा है. वो डेटा लेने में हफ्ता भर लग जाता था.
ये तो
यहाँ पर क्या है, डेटा लेंगे और मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर से पूरा रेडी है. मैं आपको तुरंत बाय सेल कॉल दे दूंगा विद इन 5 मिनट्स.
So, Celeste, just one question. तो ये जो है, do we always need to schedule a call with your team member?
Yes.
Can we
Yes,
do it independently also?
It will be done independently, 1-to-1 only.
No, correct. But then I can't do it at my own time.
No. We have not given for public use. We have not given for public use.
Okay.
क्योंकि आप अगर आप यूज भी करोगे तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा ना. बिकॉज माई NCFM सर्टिफाइड एडवाइजर विल टेल यू शेयर क्यों है, क्या रीजन. माइट हैव मेनी क्वेश्चंस ना रचना जी.
I understand. Okay. Thank you.
अगर आप कर भी लोगे तो आपको यूज करना नहीं आएगा. तो एक एडवाइजर आपको गाइड कर पाएगा ना प्रॉपर्ली.
ठीक है. All right. Understand.
देखिए मैंने शेड्यूल भेज दिया. यू कैन शेड्यूल इट.
Yeah. I've already scheduled it, so I think I'm looking forward to it on Monday then.
Yeah, it's a thing, Matthew जी फिर से शेड्यूल कर लीजिए. You will get a call in case somebody missed it. In case, क्योंकि सबको कॉल मिला है तो अभी मैं चेक भी करता हूँ why Matthew जी didn't give a call. Matthew जी प्लीज शेड्यूल कर लीजिए वापस से.
Yeah.
I highly recommend, friend. There are about 89 people. Please get your portfolio reviewed. कोई कॉस्ट नहीं है. At least know which are buy, which are sell. At least know your stocks properly. And you can put that stock in our watch list in value stocks and you will get all the buy sell. आपको बहुत easily हो जाएगा ट्रैक करना कि आज से उसका क्या परफॉर्मेंस है. तो हम लोग आपको ये भी मान लेगा जो सेल दिया था, जो बाय दिया था, वो कैसे बढ़ रहे हैं, क्या गिर रहे हैं. तो इट्स द रिसर्च ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम 20 डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स. एवरी स्टॉक का डिटेल है पूरा. You can go into every stock and discuss why this is sell, why this is buy, why this is hold. You can have a huge discussion on 70-80 stocks which you have. Because we want people to at least become knowledgeable about your own stocks.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes.
Like I run stocks or I trade in like my father mother's account and my account as similar only. Like so can we do it like merge 3 accounts like that?
Rishi, अभी family merging चालू नहीं हो ना. We are trying not to do it.
It will be live in next week. Within a
Next
week or
week में
couple
live
of
हो
weeks.
जाएगा. तो सब
In
एक
10
साथ
days.
merge कर देंगे हम लोग तीनों अकाउंट को.
Yeah. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट वीक लाइव हो जाएगा. वी गॉट अ फीडबैक. हम लोग उसको लाइव कर देंगे. तीनों लेंगे डेटा, तीनों को मर्ज करके एक बार में डिटेल दिखा देंगे आपको.
Yes. Thank you.
हेलो.
Yes, please.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था, जैसे मेरा ब्लू चिप बास्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट है, तो क्या इससे बेटर भी कोई बास्केट ले सकते हैं, मतलब स्विच कर सकते हैं किसी दूसरे बास्केट में?
नहीं नहीं, ब्लू चिप बहुत अच्छा बास्केट है सर। वो ब्लू चिप इज द बेस्ट बास्केट जो इस मंदी में भी परफॉर्म में ना, वो लॉस नहीं दिया है। स्मॉल कैप इन थोड़ा लॉस में है, बट ब्लू चिप लॉस नहीं दिया है मंदी में भी। पड़ा हुआ है,
ओके सर,
बचे हुए हम लोग।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
सर
हाँ
स्मॉल
जी,
कैप
आलोक।
में आपने लास्ट टाइम एक रीबैलेंसिंग करवाया था विद पार्किंग इन लिक्विड, अभी भी वही चल रहा है या कुछ आप
नहीं, वो
प्लान कर रहे हैं?
चेंज हो गया ना, आज शाम को बाय कॉल दे दिया ना। आप कल रीबैलेंस कर लीजिए, पूरा नया स्टॉक आ जाएगा आपका, सब
ओके
स्टॉक।
सर, ओके, थैंक यू।
प्लीज डू द रीबैलेंस टुमारो। Friends, how did you like the new product? Can you show the 3 slides? Please, the 3 slides.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और था मेरा,
हाँ जी,
जैसे अपने बास्केट में थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट और बढ़ा सकते हैं क्या?
एकदम बढ़ाना चाहिए सर, बाय कॉल दिया मैंने, आप बढ़ाना ही चाहिए।
सर
तो
एक
फ्रेंड,
क्वेश्चन और था, सर एक क्वेश्चन और था।
हाँ
आई
जी,
एम श्योर आप लोग को ज्यादा पता होगा। लॉट ऑफ टू स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट्स आर कमिंग अक्रॉस बिकॉज ऑफ द ओवर सोल्ड डेट्स पोजीशंस ऑफ कंट्रीज एंड यूएस एंड डी डॉलराइजेशन, काफी करेक्शन ड्यू है। तो आई मीन आर वी गोना बी लाइक इंसुलेटेड सिग्निफिकेंटली, या ये जब होगा तो जब भी होगा तो हम काफी इसमें इफेक्ट में आ जाएंगे? कुछ आपका कुछ व्यू है इसमें?
सर मैं बताऊंगा ना, मैं जब आएगा तो आपको, धीरज जी आपने देखा होगा
जी
कि आपने लोग बाय सेल देखते रहिए F2 का।
जी जी।
फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशन जो अमेरिका में, वही F2 है इंडिया में।
हाँ करेक्ट, दैट्स ट्रू।
अगर वो इंडिया खरीद रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं उसको तो समझ है इंडिया खरीद रहा है।
जी
जब वो बेचेगा तो फिर कॉल आ जाएगा, मैंने तो ट्रेनिंग दे दिया, मेरे वीडियोस देखते रहिए।
हाँ वो देखा मैंने आपका, ठीक है,
आप
ओके।
देखते रहिए, तो वो धीरे से टाइमिंग करना, वो डेटा से ही टाइमिंग कर सकेंगे। टाइमिंग भगवान कर सकता है, या डेटा से कुछ कुछ आइडिया हम लोग लगा सकते हैं।
राइट राइट, ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है।
सो पोर्टफोलियो यू जो मैंने नया स्टार्ट किया है, इट स्कैन्स योर होल्डिंग, हम लोग ले लेते हैं गवर्नमेंट बेस से। 5 मिनट में बाय सेल दे देते हैं आपको पूरा पोर्टफोलियो का। यू कैन हैव अ डीप डिस्कशन ऑन एवरी स्टॉक यू वांट। Everything is done by SEBI registered people who have passed NCFM exam. So it's done very, very professionally, very, very properly. And it's 100% legal product. And you can schedule, आप schedule कर लीजिए. This is a product because we really want to help people to be in the right stocks. And अगर आपको लगता है वो स्टॉक खराब है, वो स्टॉक बेच के हमारे स्टॉक्स में आ जाइए कम से कम। So I can ये promise कर सकते हैं कि my stocks will at least be better than your stocks which is in sell. So do that, धीरे धीरे आपको ट्रस्ट बिल्ड हो जाएगा इसके बाद। How many are interested in this new product? I would request you to please schedule it right now. So we'll be very happy, just schedule your time accordingly in the next 5-10 days, and my people will just call you. Just keep your PAN card and your phone number ready, and then we can do it instantly. Within 5 minutes, everything will be done. And I recommend also, please, many friends or family people are suffering. They have not seen their stocks at all for many years. So please help your family and friends to do it. It's a free of cost thing. By doing this, you will help many of your friends and family to at least know their stocks actually. उसके बाद उनका डिसीजन है, उनको बेचना है नहीं बेचना है, that is completely your decision. But at least do it and take some guidance about it. Many people in the last 5-10 years have been asking me for portfolio review, and we couldn't do it at mass because मेरा जो कॉस्ट था बहुत हाई था, एक एक को लेना, एक एक आदमी को लगाना, इट वाज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल। अब मैंने ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी बना दिया है that I can take care of 50, 70, 100 customers in one day. So that is why the tech has been made so that all our customers can be helped genuinely. So portfolio review is very, very critical to understand the stocks which you have in your portfolio. How many agree with this, that this is a very important tool that आपका portfolio review होना चाहिए?
Fantastic, sir. This is very good. This is extremely good. Thank you.
So please also I would recommend that अपने friends and family को बोलिए कि they can also schedule this में schedule करा दीजिए. Just send the link. It's free of cost. They can schedule it and उनका portfolio उनको तुरंत मिल जाएगा within 1 second. उसके बाद आपको जो करना है करिए. कम से कम एक आइडिया तो लगाइए हम लोग आपके स्टॉक्स के बारे में क्या बता रहे हैं. Is it buy? Is it hold? Is it sell? वो आप देखिए तो सही. So it's a new product. Please use it. आपको बहुत benefit होगा. So shall we end the session? It's 1 hour. Any last question before we close for today?
Sir, can I just ask one question, sir?
Haji.
In one of your previous webinars, you had talked about the total profit of all the listed companies, how their trajectory is. So, because of the current geopolitical, do you see any kind of change in the trajectory in the
तो वो
last quarter?
उसका करेंगे हम लोग. We'll be doing our session on 1st of December. जब सब डेटा आ जाएगा 15 नवंबर को, तो we'll be sharing the data for September quarter.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I missed the initial part of the call, and I'll see the recording later tomorrow. Is this tool that you have built DIY as well, or is it going to be done by your team only?
It will be done by my team only because आपको उसमें advice चाहिए तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा because there are 20 parameters of every stock.
Okay.
तो अगर हम sell बोलेंगे तो you might ask ये sell क्यों है? तो my team will tell you why this is a sell.
Okay, got it,
Because if I just give you a product which is sell, but you don't know the reason why it is sell, then आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे.
Okay, actually I was
You need an
thinking.
advisor also with it actually.
Understood. Actually I was thinking from a scenario where हमें पता है कि हमें कुछ बेचना ही है और आपके टूल से वो बेचने वाला सिग्नल आ जाता है तो हम खुद ही बेच दें और जब एडवाइस की जरूरत है फिर वो शेड्यूल कर लें. मतलब एक थॉट था. I just shared with you. That's all.
करेक्ट है. वो हम लोग DIY मॉडल बना सकते हैं. बहुत पुट है ना, थोड़ा सा इनिशियली एक बार देख लीजिए.
Understood.
हाँ, बिकॉज वो DIY मॉडल बना सकते हैं. कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है उसको भी हम
जी.
We can make a DIY model for that also.
जी. Fair enough. Thank you.
सर जी नमस्ते.
बोलिए जी.
ये लिंक कहाँ शेयर कर सकते हो?
सॉरी,
लिंक जो हमारा पोर्टफोलियो का कैसा है?
ये मैंने दिया ना, अभी लिंक डाला ना चैट में.
चार्ट में
फिर से डाल दो ना सुजीत प्लीज.
नहीं, चार्ट में लिंक नहीं आया.
अभी आया ना, देखिए ना सुजीत कुमार है 1929. देखिए ऊपर जाइए चैट में 1929.
देखिए.
हाँ राइट.
मिला आपको?
हाँ मिला. थैंक यू.
हाँ, उसको लिंक शेयर कर लीजिए. आपका पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू हो जाएगा फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट.
ठीक. थैंक यू.
Okay, friends, shall we end the session? Okay, thank you very much, friends. Thank you very much. Good night.